Hello everyone, it's Adwola, your solar guy. This is our solar security camera, a good product we must have for every home, every business, every project, construction sites, churches, mosques, streets. It's a must-have product for everybody. It's a solar camera. You don't need power, you don't need NEPA, you don't need to run any wire. It's a standalone system. It can work on its own. It comes any unbox the product so that you can see everything it comes with. This is the panel. It comes with a panel. The panel has a cable on it. Also comes with a memory card. This is a memory card for the camera. This is the camera. It's a dual lens camera. This can move 360. Can move 360. Can go up. It can go down. But this one is the fixed camera. It's a fixed lens. This one is not movable. This one is focused on one area while you use your phone to tilt the other camera to wherever you want to watch. You want to watch the lens, just use your phone to treat it. You can watch everything. You can watch both lens on your on your mobile phone. So you can use your lens to control this, and it's two-way audio. You can speak to whoever is on that side, whoever is there. You can speak with the person can speak back to you via the camera. So you can use your phone to control the function of this camera. It comes with double lens. This is one lens, this is the second lens, and it has a motion detector. If anybody passes by, it detects and it starts recording automatically. Like I told you, it comes with a memory card. This is the memory card. We insert this in it. All you just need to do is just buy a SIM card, any network, MTN, Glo, Airtel, whichever network you decide to use. It can work with any network. Once you put it in, it talks back to you and tells you if it finds the network is connected to 4G, it will tell you. So it's audible, you hear it clearly. So it's a nice product that you must have in your house for security purpose. Churches, you must have it. Mosques, you must have it. If you have a project, if you have a site you are building, you must have this in it. Nowadays you see these Aboki guys, they go to uncompleted projects, they remove things, they remove cable, they remove burglary, they remove roofing sheet. If you have this will deter them. Never seeing this on your site, they will run away because they know there's a second eye watching them. So you actually need this on your project. It comes with 1 year warranty. If anything happens to this, if it fails, you stop working within 1 year, just send it back to us. We'll fix it up, give you a new one, a replacement. I will promise you that. All our product comes with 1 year warranty. So this is the camera. Then in it, you have an hanger for holding the panel. If you want to mount the panel on the wall, you use this to mount the panel on the wall. Then you have a cable. It comes with a cable that you use to charge the camera for the first 12 hours before you mount it. You have to charge it so that the battery will be fully charged before you mount it. Then it comes with a manual, then with a mounting screw. So that's all it comes with. So thank you for watching.